All right, let me wipe my face a little bit here. Talk about sweating bullets. Hey, this is Dirk Verbeuren from Megadeth, breaking down Sweating Bullets.
Sweating bullets. Hello, me, it's me again. You can subdue but never tame me.
So, Sweating Bullets, off of the 1992 Countdown to Extinction album. Probably one of the band's most well-known songs, one that never fails to get people singing along to Dave's iconic verses with his trademark humor and biting sense of reality, let's say. Is a triplet fill song with a really tight groove and a lot of really interesting drum work by Nick Menza, so a lot of fun to play. The way I play it, it's kind of an interesting sticking in a way because I want to use my 18-inch floor tom, which is on my left. You know, a lot of people have it here on their right leg, kind of in sequence, but for some reason many years ago I didn't like having it here, so I put it there and it's still there, it hasn't moved. So in order to have my last hit there, instead of doing a normal sequence of right-left hits, I go left on the snare and then two rights here on the 13 and the 16, and then the last hit's on the 18.
So Dirk's just quickly going over the parts from Sweating Bullets, but if you actually want to get behind your kit and learn how to play this song, we have a full breakdown over on Musora. All the notation is there, and you even get to jam along with Dirk when you get the parts up to speed. You can try it out for free at the link down in the description, and with that, let's get back to the video.
Hello, me. Meet the real me. In my misfits way of life. A dark black.
After the intro, which is basically a short drum fill, there's just a pumping kick drum to kind of accompany the opening riff. And then it goes straight into verse 1, which all I do there is
meet the real me. In my misfits way of life. A dark black past is my most valued possession.
Bass, rhythm, guitar, and drums are all together, and then leaving an open space for 8 beats for Dave to do his vocals. It means that when the pre-chorus kicks in, pre-chorus/chorus, you know, there's all of a sudden the whole band together, which is a nice contrast. So the pre-chorus chorus is where the nice triplet groove kicks in. It's a semi-closed hat. This one is really all about the swing. I use a lot of little ghost notes there on the snare to kind of stabilize myself. I feel it helps with keeping the groove, you know, in the pocket. That's kind of the goal, but you know, again, that's something I'm not sure if Nick used a lot of ghost notes like that. For me, it's kind of a natural thing. I grew up listening to a lot of stuff like Prince, Chili Peppers, you know, obviously a lot of Beastie Boys, Run DMC, all that stuff, Primus. So I started working with ghost notes kind of early on, and a lot of times they're like a stabilizer in a way. They help you maintain the groove, so at least for me they do. But it's a really cool groove in this song, you know. So the pre-chorus, which ends with Dave saying "Sweating Bullets," so I guess it's pre-chorus/chorus. It has a lot of just, you know, it's just a kick groove. It's kind of simple with the inverting kick, but very fitting with the riff, you know, and it kind of counterplays with the guitar riff. The guitar riff is does a little bit bam, 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 bam. It has different accents than the kick, and I love that interplay, that they're not just following each other exactly, but that they're kind of playing off of each other. And then it goes into this snare slash rhythm guitar section where it's just I love that part because it's very heavy, everybody's together in sync, and it's this very militaristic section. Really fun to play. I go balls to the wall in that. You know, I try to go as heavy as I can on the snare and as tight as I can. And then it goes into, keeps the same rhythm, but on the kicks, and that's gonna be the lead sections. Some drummers, like for example Thomas Hake from Meshuggah, Awesome, Thomas. Love you, Thomas. Whenever he plays kick rhythms, he always does just right, left, no matter where it's at in the bar. That's something that totally blows my mind because I'm pretty much incapable of doing that. So for me, I always try to have my right kicks on the beat and the left kicks in between. It's just what feels natural to me. The ending is also very cool when it goes into a full-on double kick. I love those kinds of beats, and I try to add a little bit of personalized accents to that, like little ghost notes, little things on the cymbal. Yeah, if you look at the performance, you'll see it's little things that, you know, that don't, I think, impede on the original, but that add a little bit of how I would interpret it. Obviously, you know, as much as I love and respect the songs the way they are and the drummers that played them, I also want to bring a little bit of myself to it. So there are little accents, you know, little details that I make my own.
Hello, me. Meet the real me. In my misfits way of life. A dark black past is my most valued possession. Hindsight is always 20/20, but looking back, it's still a bit fuzzy. Speak of mutually assured destruction. Nice story. Time to digest. Feeling paranoid, true enemy of fostering. Anxiety's attacking me. My air is getting thin. I'm in trouble for the things I haven't got to yet. I'm jumping at the bit, and my palms are getting wet. Sweating bullets. Hello, me, it's me again. You can subdue but never tame me. It gives me a migraine headache, sinking down to your level. Yeah, just keep on thinking it's my fault and stay an inch or two out of kicking distance. Mankind has got to know his limitations. Feeling claustrophobic like the walls are closing in. Bloodstains on my hands and I don't know where I've been. I'm in trouble for the things I haven't got to yet. I'm sharpening the ass and my palms are getting wet. Sweating bullets. Bloodstains on my head. Bloodstains on my sweating. nice talking to myself. A credit to dementia. Someday you too will know my pain and smile its black-toothed grin. If the war inside my head won't take a day off, I'll be dead. My icy fingers claw your back. Here I come again.